side I see with avarice. War mixed, so I will make a servantess. For war with greed does not at all agree, and the wicked rich in whom all badness is. A greedy warring every day, and nothing would they give away, but each would wish, however it may be, to conquer others' goods and spend no fee. Each one intends to gather great riches from the other, so niggardly the world is. But for honor worth of prowess, the wicked rich ill-taught do not care a bit. But each one would marry if he could another's wealth, but spend no good. And when they die they leave rents and fees in this, riches and all that they have gained. The wicked rich have sown, who dress in fine clothes and eat at great expense. And when their kinsmen suffer shame and groan, one would not stake a penny in defense. But soon if one believed their lying plea, shameful lawsuit or truce they would guarantee. Such counsel give openly all the way, the wicked rich who dwell in gay princes today. The world is all changed into wickedness. The wicked, avaricious rich I see honored, and the worthy poor man grown old in poverty. And the crooked vowed it holds power endlessly, and the loyal generous without mastery. If wrong were right and deceit loyalty, if taking giving sin and mercy same, if shame were honor, avarice generosity, the wicked rich would find the world well framed. For in them is such villainy, pride, evil, and such felony of all bad traits, that if badness were goodness, the wicked rich would have all worthiness. Princes with cunning treachery, they make two lords within a single day, and the cunning ones defy continually when they have done ill for 2 or 3 days' play.